Racing just started. We have Granda Bear break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, top notch, best kept secret. And on the outside, Vergara Love Story comes next. And then followed over by Fresh Shows. Anonymous is Speedy Maki. Maki Sig while My Ray is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Granda Bear, top notch with the outside. Best kept secret is racing in third, then followed by Vergara Love Story, then on the inside fifth, then next online is Fresh Shows, Anonymous is Fidi Makia, Makisig, while My Ray still racing in less, down the back stretch they travel, we have Grand Affair by about 3/4 of a length lead, Top Notcher still in second, Best Kept Secret remains in third, Love Stories racing in fourth, Vergara, Precious, Anonymous is Fidi Makia. Makisig comes next while My Ray is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Top Notcher takes command. Granda Peris down on the inside. Best Kept Secret Love Story moving up on the outside. And as they swing for home, Top Notcher, Granda Bear, Best Kept Secret Love Story is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Top Notcher by about 3 lengths, followed by Granda Bear and on the outside, Love Story, Anonymous, Best Kept Secret, and finally it's Top Notcher. Close, Granda Bear. Then comes Love Story, Anonymous, Best Kept Secret, and My Ray, or rather Preciosa.